Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I'm going to explain you a short video, or maybe a little bit long, about how computer is used in crop management. Yeah, so what are you understand about crop? Crop is actually a plant that is grown in a large scale, which is specifically that something we are going to consume as food. But basically, this crop we should sustain the production of them because they are something we are going to eat. So how we are going to sustain the production of crop? Okay, so how we are going to sustain the crop management? Of course, by using computer.
Hi, my name is Nurshamimina Jiha. So I'm going to talk about the method in basic crops management. So basically, most of the technologies we use in computer to monitor all the movement in the how it works, how the technologies works. So I have list for most of the devices that used in basic crops management. So the first one is the timer. Timer is usually used in watering activities. For example, if we set the the horse timer or water timer, we can set when it's turned or when it's shut down to water in large area. Next is satellite controller. Satellite controller is very important in agriculture field because it can help to monitor the growth performance of the crops by using the drone or satellite. And we can also help to optimize the use of fertilizer to protect the groundwater more efficiently. Next is driverless tractor. Driverless tractor is the most used technologies in management. Usually we use humans as stop. Okay, next is the driverless tractor. Driverless tractor can do different tasks by depending on the type of farms and the configuration of its auxiliary equipment. In the early stage, humans' effort will still be required to set up field and boundary maps, program the best field path using path planning software, and decide others' operation. For example, we can set the tractor to move or to harvest some of the large area, so that we can only monitor the movement of the tractor by using the computer. And lastly is the sensor. Sensor is we use smart passive sensor to analyze the soil moisture content across the large area, and also it allows farmers to optimize irrigation techniques and minimize the overwater cost. So basically we use sensor to detect or analyze anything that we can see with naked eye. So we can use sensor to know about the moisture, to know about the content of the fertilizer needed, and also to know any problems that happen in the crops. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day I bid to everyone. So I am Muhammad Fauzan Fikri and I am from Group 5. Our group decided to do a research on the utilization of computer system in agricultural field. So today I will be talking about the result and discussion of utilization of computer system. Okay, first thing first, a little bit of introduction. The utilization of computer system in agriculture generates a very substantial effects on most type of agricultural activity. These technological advances have produced a very significant increase in crop production. However, in recent times, agriculture is not only about crop production or livestock farming and correlate cooperation, because the challenges brought forth by ecological factors affect the environment and need to be a major attention for any kind of farming activity. That's why farmers need to be very aware of the environmental impact due to the climate change, and this is where modern technology is needed. So today I will be talking about 4 computer systems that is currently being used all over the world. And the first one is one of the most we can say basic computer system in the world, which is a simple timer. Okay, water timer and hose timer. Traditionally, farmer will walk around their field carrying a hose to water their crop. But nowadays, by utilizing a computer system which is a timer, farmers don't have to do that anymore. Okay, water timer and hose timer will result in a very less water usage. So in the long run, it makes good economic sense. Okay, and in other hand, there is only a little wasted water that will result in significant savings and will reduce labor work.
Nama saya Zodi. At the end of these assignments, we can conclude that computer is a very useful and give advantages in crop management. For example, farmer can use computer system to guide and steering on their farm equipment during planting and harvesting, run water efficiently with specific time periods, monitoring the growth performance, optimizing the use of fertilizer, and also identify the type of soil. For example, their moistures. Since we have seen the relevance of agriculture to mankind, there is no doubt that we should improve crop management through technological advancement and information disseminations. Through improvement in computer technology in crop management, we believe that all the management related with basic crop will improve drastically and give big impact in this field, and all information related with basic crop management can be broadcast to the rural populace through computer technology. Thank you. Bye.